Hey everybody, this is Sarah here with the Breastfeeding Shop in Emmaus, Pennsylvania, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to assemble your Spectra breast pump. So here at the Breastfeeding Shop, we do carry 3 of the Spectra breast pumps. We carry the Spectra S9, which is their more portable version, great for moms on the go. It does have an internal rechargeable battery, so you can see when I turn the pump on, it starts without having to be plugged in. And it's super lightweight, very quiet, and very portable. Then we have the Spectra S1, which is also rechargeable. You can see when I turn it on, it starts up without having to be plugged in. This is a really great option for moms looking to be a little more portable as well, because the battery is rechargeable. And then we have the Spectra S2, which has all of the same functions as the S1. However, this pump is powered by a standard wall adapter. The great thing about the Spectra pumps is that they are closed system, meaning that they come with pieces that create a physical barrier between your breast milk and the tubing and your pump itself. So this is really great. It's hygienic, it keeps your pump motor working, and it really prevents you from ever having to clean the tubing. And we'll go a little bit more into detail about the backflow protectors as we start assembling our pumps. And the assembly for the pumps is all virtually the same. The pumps themselves just look a little different, but we'll go ahead and get started putting the pieces together. So let's go ahead and start by assembling our backflow protector. So with your Spectra pump, the backflow protector is going to come in 3 pieces. So you'll get 2 hard plastic pieces and a soft plastic membrane. You want to go ahead and take the smaller of the 2 plastic pieces and the soft plastic membrane and gently push the plastic membrane over the small hard piece. Next, you want to take the larger hard plastic piece and snap that right over the membrane and the smaller piece. And there you have your assembled backflow protector. Next, we'll take our Spectra breast flange, which you can see right here. It will have the size written on the side of the flange, and we'll talk a little bit more about sizing, finding your size for your breast flange a little later in this video. This is just a standard 24mm size. You're going to take the larger end of the backflow protector. There's going to be 2 pegs. You're going to take the larger of the 2 pegs and then insert that into the back of your flange, just like so. Next, you're going to take your duckbill valve, which looks just like this, and this is going to go directly on the bottom of your flange, right over that little opening. Make sure that's nice and snug. And there we have our assembled breast flange. Last but not least, you're going to take your assembled breast flange and your wide neck bottle. This is the Spectra wide neck bottle that will come with your pump, but any wide neck bottle will work. Just take your assembled breast flange and go ahead and screw that right onto the top. And now we're ready to go. If you plan on single pumping, you can stop here. If you'd like to double pump, you want to just go ahead and repeat all of these steps with your second set of accessories. I'm just going to demonstrate how to single pump to save some time, but we are ready to go. Next, you're going to take one end of the tubing that comes with your pump, and you're going to push that over the smaller end of your backflow protector. Just like so. Make sure that's on nice and snug. Last, you're going to take your pump and you're going to attach the other end of the tubing to the open tubing port on your pump. And there we go. And like I said, if you plan on double pumping, you want to repeat all of those assembly steps with your second set of accessories. And then you're going to uncover this little rubber piece here and just insert the other tube onto that port so that you can double pump. But now everything is assembled and we are ready to go.